Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we'll move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin.
Stand tall like a big mountain. Feet together, back long, arms by your sides. Take a big breath. Strong and steady. Lift your arms up to the sky. Lean slowly to one side. Feel the stretch on your side. Smile.
Nice work. Let's do the same thing on the other side.
Open your legs wide. Reach one hand to your foot and the other to the sky. You are a strong triangle.
Let's do the same thing on the other side. Hola. Stand strong with your legs open. Place one hand on your leg or on the floor. Lift the other hand up to the sky. Your body is a shiny moon. Look forward and balance. Nice work. Let's change to the other leg.
Bend your body forward. Let your head hang like a floppy doll. Touch your legs or your toes. Hands on the floor. Stretch your legs back. Body straight like a board. Strong. Lie on your tummy. Push with your hands and lift your chest. Look forward like a happy cobra. Sit on your heels. Back straight. Breathe calmly, like a resting superhero. Sit comfortably. Lift one arm and bend to the side. Stretch gently. Feels good.
Let's do the same thing on the other side.
Great job, Super Kids! You had fun? Subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!